Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pop the hood, there's a little lever right here to the left of the instrument panel. Pop that. Now we're going to release the safety. It's a little lever here. Push it to the passenger side. Lift up the hood. Prop rod is over here. Install it right there. Pull these clips right here and right here. Pull this up. You're going to angle this up a little bit. If you're struggling to angle this up, you can loosen up the worm clamp over here with a straight head screwdriver. And when you lift it up, just pull up. You can grab the air filter, slide it out. You can see how dirty the old air filter is. The new one is nice and clean. So I'm going to reinstall the new air filter. Just slide it in. Make sure it's all the way down. Angle the air box up so that it clips in the back. Once it's clipped in the back, slide it down and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.